start with good seeds, good genetics, and I would probably stay with soil because soil, and I like organic soil, is to me the best. But it's really hard, I would start seeds indoors and then move them outdoors, and yeah, and I'd get easy to grow variety. For example, what I do a bunch of stuff with seedsmen, so you can call them up and ask them, or go to their site. Yeah, that'd work really well. And they're expert guys. And yeah, I've known them for years. That'd be the first thing. Start them indoors and then transplant them outdoors, and grow quite a few plants. Don't just grow one or two. Grow whatever the legal maximum is, and maybe a little bit more, because you got to count on some of them going to die because you'll probably screw something up and kill them. And I'd also grow some vegetables too, if you move them outdoors, so you can grow several different kinds of plants, because it's really a learning experience.